of biogas in Cameroon is not yet a widespread activity. But what is biogas? What is the biodigesters used for and what it consists of? We understand that the biodigester prototype not only produces gas that can be used for cooking.
Our prototype called biodigester is already a prototype that allows us to produce an organic gas and to produce an excellent fertilizer. This fertilizer is organic. It is a prototype that will help households to already manufacture their own gas and their own fertilizer.
But also produce natural compost that can be used for crops. It is easy to see that biogas, through its benefits for the preservation of the environment on the one hand, and on the other hand, for its various contributions in household and agriculture. It is a practice in becoming. It's therefore become natural to invite each household to actively source it.